Hi friends, me again, and today it is plant day, which is so exciting because you are going to choose the perfect plant guild for your garden. Now, hold up, what am I talking about, guild? Well, it's the perfect term that I like to use to describe a group of plants all working together for a common cause, and that common cause is your thriving, absolutely gorgeous, completely delicious garden that you are going to build. It's going to be amazing. Anyhow, I have created, custom designed these 8 guilds just for you to choose from. Some of them like full sun all day long. Some of them can handle a little bit of shade. And then there is one guild, the shady characters, who like to be in less sun. So they can be in your shady spot if you've got room for them there. So basically, go nuts, have fun, and choose the one that's right for you. Now, if it was up to me, I couldn't choose just one guild, and I'd be building 2 boxes and then finding my 2 favorite ones and then rotating them each year to year. But let me just go back a bit and talk about why I did choose these guilds and what's the point of having a combination of plants. Well, not only do some plants, the tall ones, provide structure for the climbers, there's also different herbs and flowers that encourage pollinators and our happy bee friends to come visit our veggie box and pollinate everything that's in there. There's also pest deterrent plants that keep the nasty pests away so that we don't need to be using chemical herbicide and pesticides, which is really important. So we can have a nice, beautiful, organically grown, absolutely gorgeous garden with our perfect plant guilds. Have so much fun, and tomorrow I will be talking to you about how we're going to care for these babies. I'll see you then.